Number one, your lifestyle choices. How much of your daily and nightly routine do you build around ensuring a good night's sleep? Your daily and nightly routines are what will help determine how well you sleep at night. These 5 things can disturb your sleep patterns. Drinking caffeine or alcohol before going to bed, eating food right before bedtime, staying up late on your phone or your computer, taking a nap too late in the day, and smoking. Though we all wanna stay up to date on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, when you stay up late checking your feed and scrolling through your phone, it'll only make getting to sleep that much harder for you. And with the business of your day, you might start to feel run down and droopy-eyed. But if you lie down and take a nap in the late afternoon or early evening, you'll be too alert and awake by bedtime to even be able to go to sleep. If you struggle with waking up in the middle of the night, think about your daily and nightly routines and try to weed out some bad habits that may be hindering you from getting proper sleep at night. If you make the changes you need for a good night's rest, then you'll be well on your way to sleeping through the night.